Hi friends, my name is Dhruvan. I have started this YouTube channel recently and today in my video I am going to say how to multiply 2-digit number into 2-digit number within seconds. Many of you will attend competitive exams. In that exam you should do many sums. So if you use this trick, you can do lot of sums fastly and save your time. Definitely this trick will help you. And please watch the video till end. And also please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So topic is 2-digit into 2-digit multiplication. So if we take an example 28 into 16, all of you normally will do 8 into 6, that is 48, and 6 into 2 12, that is 16, and 1 into 8 8, 1 into 2 2. Here we will get 8 and 4, and here we will get 4. So we got answer 448. But my trick is 28 into 16. First we should multiply 2 into 1, that is 2, and next step is we should multiply 2 into 6 plus 1 into 8, that is 12 plus 8, we'll get 20. So here we should write 20, and next step is 8 into 6, that is 48. So here we should write 48. So now it answer 8 as it is we should write, and now we should add 4 plus 0, that is 4, and next we should add 2 plus 2, that is also 4. So answer is 448 and 448. Let's check another example, that is 45 into 34. So first we should multiply 4 into 3, that is 12. Next we should do 4 into 4 plus 5 into 3, that is 16 plus 15. We'll get 1 and 1 carry. So answer is 31. Here we should write 31. And last step is 5 into 4, that is 20. So 0 as it is, 2 plus 1, that is 3, and 3 plus 2, that is 5, and here 1 as it is. So we got answer 1530. Let's check that. 45 into 34, that is 5 into 4 20, and 4 into 4 16, plus 2 we'll get 18, and next 5 into 3 15, and 4 into 3 12, and plus 1, that is 13. So 0 as it is, 8 plus 5 13, and here 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, and 1530. So we got same answer. So let's check another example, that is 99 into 98. That first we should multiply 9 into 9, that is 81. Next we should multiply 9 into 8 plus 9 into 9, that is 72 plus 81. We'll get 315. So here we should write 153. And last step is we should multiply 9 into 8, that is 72. Now while writing answer 2 as it is, 7 plus 3, that is 10, here 1 carry, and 15 plus 1 16, plus 1 17. So 7, here 1 carry. So we'll get answer 9702. Let's check that. 99 into 98. 9 into 8 is 72, and 9 into 8 plus 7 is 79. 9 into 9 is 81, and again 9 into 9 plus 8 is 89. So 2 as it is, 9 plus 1 10, and 9 plus 1 plus 7 17. So 1 carry, 9702. So we got 9702 and 9702. So next example is 37 into 55. So first we should multiply 3 into 5, that is 15, and next 3 into 5 plus 5 into 7, that is 15 plus 35. We'll get 50. So next is 7 into 5, that is 35. Now this 5 as it is we should write, and 3 plus 0 that is 3, and 5 plus 5 that is 10, and 1 carry. So we got answer 2035. So let's check this. 37 into 55. So 7 into 5, 35. 5 into 3, 15 plus 3, 18. 7 into 5, 35. And 5 into 3, 15 plus 3, 18. So we got 5 and near 3. So on carry, here 0 and here another carry. 2035. So we got answer. And let's take another example. That is 97 into 70. No, let's take 79 into 14. That is 7 into 1, that is 0, 7. And 7 into 4 plus 9 into 1, that is 28 plus 9. We'll get 37. And 9 into 4 is 36. So 6 as it is we should write, and 7 plus 3, 10, and 1 carry. Again 7 plus 3, 10, and another 1 carry. We got 1106. So let's check this. 79 into 14. So 9 into 4, that is 36. 7 into 4, that is 28, and we'll get 31. 1 into 9, 9, and 1 into 7 is 7. So 6 as it is, and 9 plus 1 is 10, and 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So 1. So we got 1106, 1106. So all of you mainly remember that this is not subtraction symbol. This is just used dash for our understanding. Don't think that this is subtraction symbol. If you do 12 minus 3, this will become wrong. So don't think this is subtraction symbol. This is for our understanding. So this is just a dash. So definitely this trick will help you. And please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon.